Hi. After 12 years of working with Microsoft Office and especially Excel, I've helped my colleagues solve various issues and problems they had. So here's a list of my top favorite ones that might save you some time and frustration the next time you're working with Excel. Number 1. Did you ever open up Excel and the main window was frozen? You can type in individual cells, but nothing sort of moved or functioned like it should. Don't panic. You or one of your coworkers just forgot to unfreeze the rows. Easy fix. Number 2. You finish making a nice chart, you format the data so it looks nice.
A few moments later.
And then you check the chart and oh my god, it's empty. Where did all the data go?
Please, no! 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 No!
It didn't disappear, don't worry, you probably just hid the columns with the data. If they're hidden, the chart will ignore the data in those hidden cells. So just unhide and voila. Number 3. Ever wanted to print out a nice report that you just made only to get something like this out of the printer? Well, just update your print area.
First, select what you want printed, then go to Page Layout, click Print Area, and set Print Area. This will tell Excel exactly what you want printed on the document.
Number 4. Vertical lookup doesn't work. I've tried everything, Giga, and it doesn't work.
Check two things. First, if you see an orange exclamation mark in the top left corner of the cell, it means the data is stored as text. You need to store the data as values if you want vertical lookup to work. And secondly, perhaps there's a hidden character in your data set. Maybe there's a space bar at the end of the number or at the beginning or somewhere in between and it's not exactly matching. Usually you want an exact match with vertical lookup, so check your data set if it contains any weird characters. If it does, like in this case, just find and replace it with nothing.
Number 5. I accidentally closed Excel I've been working on for the past 5 hours and I forgot to save. Oh my god, my life is ruined. Before you cry, just wait a second. Check the unsaved versions. By default, Excel makes periodic temporary saves of all your work, so maybe you just lost a couple of minutes of work. It might not always work, but in many instances it does. Number 6. You open a linked Excel and... You open a linked Excel and the numbers are just gone. The source file moved or is unavailable, but you just clicked update values anyway and now nothing works and everything's gone and everything's just everywhere. Don't worry, just close it back up and don't update the values when you're prompted. And voila, here they are again. Number 7. You got a CSV file and you open it and you get something like this. That's because you need to open it like this.
New file, go to Data, Get Data, From File, and From Text CSV.
And now you can format the data before you import it so it nicely fits in the columns and rows and looks exactly how you want it to look. Number 8. Got a long list and need to move up and down? Please stop scrolling or doing this. Instead, just click inside the table, hold Control and click down. This will go to the first empty cell in the way. Need to select everything, hold Shift along the way. Easy. Number 9. Have a list with pictures, but every time you filter something, this happens?
Select all the images by selecting one and pressing Ctrl A. Click Format Object and under Properties, select Move but don't size with cells. Now the pictures will stay the same no matter how much you size the cells or filter the data.
And number 10, you have a filtered list and now you want to unfilter it, but you don't exactly know which columns are filtered and it takes a while to go through each column individually. Just clear the filter. Here. Stop playing detective with each column. Just one button. And that's it. Those are my top favorite things in Excel I've learned along the way that really saved a lot of frustration and time. Of course, Excel is a very powerful tool. I implore you to explore it deeply and learn every day something new. And one of the ways you can do that is by following me, this channel. We'll explore data analytics together and take care. Have a good day. Bye-bye.